All right, everybody, what you're seeing right now is the largest selection of Jeep Wranglers all over the Charleston Low Country. If you're in the market to buy a Jeep Wrangler, folks, let me tell you, Rogers Wranglers is the place to come first. That's right. Whether you're looking for a two-door Wrangler, four-door JKU, TJ, YJ, CJ, even LJs, we got them here today at Rogers Wranglers. Stay with us. You're going to have a great time watching this video and seeing all the amazing Wranglers that we offer. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Rogers Wranglers. I'm Chad. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2014 Willys styled JKU. Stay with us. We're going to have a good time taking a look at this beautiful four-wheel drive machine. Well, I'll tell you, folks, we got a massive selection right now of pre-owned unlimited Jeeps. Whether you're looking for four doors, two doors, LJs, YJs, TJs, CJs, we got them at Rogers Wranglers. That's definitely for sure. Now this one here, this is kind of a cool one here, man. It's got some really nice extras on it if you're getting out there on the trails doing some four-wheeling. But also at the same time, it's a 2014, so it's got the 3.6 under the hood that a lot of y'all like, and also only 69,000 miles on it. So mileage is great, and boy, oh boy, does it not look good. It sure does. Anyways, let's take a look and see what kind of features this one has on it. Well, first off, you're getting a SmittyBilt Winch in the front, steel front bumper. You got a plethora of fog lights and LEDs all over the place. We have our LED headlamps here, also the color changers, LEDs there for the trail, your winch. Then up on the hood here, you got LEDs here, and then that nice looking light bar up top, so you can be able to see really nicely going out on the trails riding at nighttime, or if you live on the back roads, you know, heading onto your property and all, or hunting or whatever you want to do, you know, those lights really make a huge difference. Also has a little bit different styled fender on here. Those are aftermarket, a little bit more thin. Okay, so that's looking pretty cool. You're also getting some vinyl graphics on the hood here. It says the American legend since 1941. That's when Jeep started back in the day. And then the originals, yeah, Willys. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure if these stickers came on it from the manufacturer, which something tells me it possibly did, or did someone add those stickers on at some point. Looks like it's also Super Chips equipped. Trail rated 4x4. You got your general grabber tires, your lift kit. So there you go. You got your black steel wheels. Nothing too fancy, but I'm telling you guys and girls, that's all you need when you're getting out on the trails in those woods having a good time. Also getting a SmittyBilt soft top up here with the slant back, or some call it a notch back. So that's looking nice, right? Is that a SmittyBilt though? Hold on a minute. Let me take a short look. Actually, it's made by Rampage Products. So that's who made that top. It's in really good shape, as you can see there. You got the fifth wheel on the back to match all other fours. Suspension up underneath. More fog lights in the back, as you can see right here. Tow package, got that going on. And you're gonna have your CB antenna with CB radio up front. So it's got a lot of nice little extras on it, as you can see in the video here. The body on the Jeep's in great shape. It's not too beat up. It's not all scratched up or anything like that. So that's looking good. And it looks like it does have the American flag, the kind of these little gold overlays here that protect the taillight housing, so that looks nice. Open this up, you got tons of storage space. That's what everybody likes about a JKU, is all that back storage space back there. And you got your little subwoofer back here as well, and a few stickers to kind of make things rock and roll a little more, right? Everybody loves stickers on their four-wheel drive vehicle. I got a few on my 4Runner over there as well. All right, nice and solid. Also steel bumpers on the front and rear, if I didn't mention that already. Now on the inside, it's very clean. You are getting manual door locks and manual windows. Black cloth interior seats, which I really like. You know, a lot of the 2010 and 07 and 08s got that grayish color seating. I really like the black in here. Also up top, you'll notice it's got the little, some kind of different setup up here. We got your little pouches and all that. Your audio bar with lights up there. Your handles above the windows. Again, it is a automatic transmission. Again, you do get four-wheel drive. There's your CB radio. Mileage, I was not joking, guys and girls. It's 69,000 827 on miles. You got the factory head unit in here with auxiliary port. And it's clean. Smells good. Not bad. Factory tweeters. You also got a HDMI hookup here and some things like that for whatever you need that for. And then you got your switches here for your LED lighting on the outside. As you can see, I'm going to cut them off there for you. And there's plenty of room in the back for back passengers. This one does have carpet on the floors, which some people will end up liking. And some people may rip the carpet right on out. You know, it all depends on what you want to do with your Jeep. Also got these little bars up here on the soft top to help keep this quieter when traveling. And the ones for the front are sitting right back here in the back. I saw them earlier. So overall, guys, not a bad looking Jeep for 2014 with 69K on it. If you're interested, it is available at Rogers Wranglers right here in North Charleston, South Carolina. This Jeep will be going through detail later this week and be on the front lines here very shortly. So please, guys, if you're in the market for a Wrangler, come see us at Rogers Wranglers. Again, we got over 75 Jeeps in stock. There's tons of them, guys. Not all the Jeeps are sitting on our website, so if there's something you're looking for that you don't see on our website at rogerswranglers.com, feel free to send us a message, send us a call, or even stop by, and we'll show you some other ones that we got. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe here on YouTube and Facebook. If you got a friend looking for something like this, and maybe y'all were out at his house or her house and having a good time, and him or her said, hey, man, I'm thinking about buying me a Jeep. Well, tag them in the post. Let them know, hey, those guys over at Rogers Wranglers has got a great selection. A few of y'all, I've already noticed, are doing that. We had a customer in here today saying, hey, I was told they had a bunch of Jeeps over here to go look. So thank you so much for the folks that are already spreading the word out. We're doing our best to share it online. Have a great day. I'm Chad signing out from Rogers Wranglers in beautiful North Charleston. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Charleston Jeep Wranglers for Sale. This is going to be a great group for you to buy or sell your Jeep Wrangler. Stay with us. We're going to have a great time on this group. If you got any questions or how to post or how to get your Jeep sold quicker or to be able to buy a great deal on a Jeep, send me a message. My name's Chad Dobier. I've been an automotive sales guy here in the beautiful low country of Charleston for over 15 years. I'm ready to help you today.